Hi everybody. I am going to make my first YouTube video ever. My husband has been encouraging me to make YouTube videos for years. I think part of it is because he thinks I'm crazy and that it would be entertaining for people. And the other part of it is I'm pretty crafty, some of the ideas I come up with. So, in lieu of what's going on right now with the COVID-19 virus, there are certain products that you cannot find anywhere. Toilet paper, hand sanitizer, alcohol. I looked online, did a lot of research on how to make hand sanitizers. To make a gel hand sanitizer, every recipe I found said you had to use aloe vera. Everyone is sold completely out of aloe vera. So I went to bed last night thinking about how else could I do this. I thought of my daughter who makes slime all the time and the ingredients she uses. One of the ingredients that I have bought her is this ECO professional styling gel. I knew it was jelly-like and that it didn't get sticky because she makes slime with it. So I thought I'd give it a go. You can pick this up for $5 at Kroger, Walgreens, Walmart, CVS. I actually just picked up another tub of it. This kind has argan oil in it. So if you use this kind, you won't have to add as much vitamin D oil. You want to put some type of oil in it because the alcohol will dry out your hands. Okay, so we have plenty of vodka in the house, but I learned that vodka is not high enough proof to be effective. I sent the husband to the liquor store and he bought EVERCLEAR. He says that, my car will run on it. I'm not real sure people should drink this, but I don't know. Okay, but it will make hand sanitizer so that you can keep your hands clean and nobody gets the COVID virus from touching their face. I have 1 cup of the ECO gel in my bowl. I'm going to match it with 1 cup of EVERCLEAR. I'm going to pour it together in my bowl. There we go. Next, I have this around the house for sore muscles and things. You don't have to have this, but you're going to need some type of oil in here to keep it from drying your hands out really bad. So even if you have to do a few drops of olive oil, even vegetable oil if you had to, it would be fine. I am just going to add maybe 10 drops to this just to protect your hand. Okay, so I know a lot of you have essential oils. I have a ridiculous amount because my daughter makes her slime scented and she makes soap and I don't know, all the things. But I chose this lemon scent. I'm going to do about 10 drops. Okay, you can get the essential oils at, I know at CVS, Walgreens, and there's a lot of places you can get them, but right now while everything's closed, you can get these at CVS. I want to say they're $6-ish, but you can pick them up there. Once we get to here, we are going to mix it. It's starting to get thicker. It's still not mixed completely together. Okay, so you just need to keep working it until it's all the same consistency. Everything is blended together well. We're going to mix this baby for a little longer. So it's like a little thinner than jelly, right? Would you say that's kind of jelly texture? So it's a little thinner than jelly. Cool, thank you. Oh, it's a little thinner than syrup. It's kind of the consistency of something I'm not going to say on a video. It's kind of that, just here. Look. Yeah, okay. We've added, like I said, a cup of EVERCLEAR, 1 cup of this Echo hair gel that acts as a carrier. So, because you couldn't put straight alcohol in your hands, especially this, it would probably eat through them within a couple of uses. And if you want to throw, like I said, a vitamin E or coconut oil in there for moisture, it'll mix those through. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to pour this into this bottle. The bottle. So I ordered these online, but also you can get them at Walmart for like $1 a bottle. I know that the Dollar Tree has some of these. Okay, so once you get it in that bottle, put the lid on. If you don't have, I know nobody wants to go out, well, nobody's supposed to go out right now. So if you don't have a one of these bottles, I just used the rest of this in my bath this morning. So I rinsed it out so we could use it for, I don't know if I'll put any in it myself, but just to let you guys know, you don't have to have one of these little ketchup bottle wackadoodle things. Anything that you have in your house that's a squeeze is fine. Once you have it in this bottle, I mean, you can keep this bottle like in your house and your whole family can use it. But I think the bigger concern at this time is if you go out and you touch something or you lick something, people do that. But if you go out and you touch anything, you need a smaller bottle with you. So take this, fill her up, screw on the lid, hand sanitizer. Thanks, guys. Just drink your hand sanitizer. You shouldn't lick anything right now. That is disgusting.
ONA virus.
Because I have lots more fun ideas on stuff you need that you can make. I feel like it's something that probably hobos get. I'm ready to go out.
COVID-19.
It's called Corona No No. That's the name of it. It's Corona No No sanitizer. I'm not real sure people should drink this, but my cat will lick it off the floor and be drunk. Why do I think all hobos are by train tracks? That burns like fire! Hey, Jeremy? I don't do technology. Stick off the A, stick on the O, and you have Corona No No. All right, now I'm done.